To save a card as a template, I'm going to use this card right here because it already has a lot of information. And when you save a card as a template, you can store all this information as part of your template. And this card has it already. So I'm going to click all because I want it all. And I'm going to rename this as the green template. I press save as a template and the card refreshes, but it's a little bit different. It's a template now. And so it has a little bit less information. But everything that I had on the card came over. So I have all this information that's already part of the card. If I click board settings, I will go back to my board settings under the template and recurrence, and this is where my green template is. The way I created my template was from an existing card. I can create a new template also from scratch by just clicking this, and at this point, giving this a name. I'm calling it red template, and also like the red label, and this one will have nothing in it, maybe just like hello in the description. So if I go back to board setting now, I have two templates. The first one, I saved it directly from a card, which is the way we usually do it, but if you want to start a template from scratch, you can do it like I just did by adding a card template from here. Now what do you do with a template? Well, the next time you add a card, you'll see that you have a menu now that says add from template. And if you add from the green template, then you will take everything that the green template already had. If you add from the red template, then you'll take everything that the red template had. So we're going to do it from the green one. And I'm going to add and edit so that you can see immediately what happens. And so the card got created. As you can see, it's an identical card because it was created from the same template.